What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and in today's video, we're not on the dyno just yet, but we are back here making some power, or about to anyways. We've got a 2009 Hayabusa that has come to us for the second time. The first time we had it on the dyno, we did a dyno tune on this thing, got it making some power. The customer had a lot of fun for it. But as you guys know, this stuff is addicting. And by addicting, I mean you can never get enough power. Now, check this out. We are installing a nitrous kit. You can see we've already got the air box plumbed up inside. You can see the nitrous, it's got a nozzle for each cylinder. It's got a jet for each cylinder to keep the horsepower nice and even. Now Magic Mike is wiring up a NOS mini controller. Everything will be nice and neat. Relays power everything. Map switches to keep everything, I guess you would say, safe and dummy proof. All he's gonna do is turn the high beam of the headlights on. That's gonna arm the system. When he goes wide open, boom, it engages the nitrous and flips the map switch all automatically. And all this stuff is going to look like it come from the factory, from Suzuki, installed real nice and neat. So anyways, I just want to take you along with the process, show you what goes into this nitrous system. Then we're going to put it on the dyno towards the end of the video and see what kind of power it makes. So stay with us, guys. Here we go. Alright guys, the nitrous kit is installed. We are on the dyno. We've got the motor tune tweaked in. This thing is deafening loud. He has taken the baffle out of his alien head exhaust, literally straight through. She's loud. Woohoo! Anyways, we have got Q16 race gas with this thing, so we can turn our ignition timing up a little bit on motor. And we've got a 2.5 pound nitrous bottle, which will mount right there in between the shock and the front tire, or the rear tire in the swing arm. This holds 2.5 pounds of nitrous with the 50 shot, which is what we've got this thing jetted for. This bottle is gonna get us about probably 4 good, let's say 3 good quarter-mile track passes. Four, let's say, real good 1/8 mile passes. The 4th and 5th pass in the quarter-mile and 1/8 mile, it'll still work, but it's gonna fade away. In other words, you're gonna lose horsepower. But this thing is all 100% turnkey. All you've gotta do is turn your key on. This is your nitrous controller. We flip the high beam on, and boom, the nitrous controller is activated. So whenever you go wide open throttle, you hear the solenoid click. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Hopefully you can. Turn that off, turn it on, twist the throttle wide open. Boom, nitrous comes in. Now when we have the bottle on, of course you'll hear it spraying in there. Another thing we can do too is if we've got it off, we're wide open, we can click the pass button. Boom, we just passed somebody. Anyways, we're about to show you how this stuff works in action, but that is a fully turnkey nitrous kit. Map switch, all that stuff is fully automatic with the way we set them up. We're about to see what kind of power she can put out. All right, guys, here we go. Magic Mike is heating up all now. It's heat gun. We want to try to have optimal pressure around 900 pounds of bottle pressure. That's around 90 degrees Fahrenheit if the bottle is full. Yes, anyway. 172 to 235 in the same spot. Huge gain. All right, guys, so we went from 172 with the Nitrous tune on motor to 235 on Nitrous. So overall, super good gains. You see how smooth this air-fuel ratio it is? Absolutely perfect, dead on 13.0, 13.1. And then as we go to the Nitrous, it goes to 11.9. Mike is gonna add just a couple more percent fuel on this thing. On the Nitrous, we try to have them around 11.5-ish. On the dyno, that puts it about 12.0 on the street, and that's perfectly safe for a 50 shot with Q16 race gas. You guys like the way this thing sounds? I told you that Brock's Performance exhaust absolutely screams. Mike put that super tune on her. Look at that, 172 to 240. This thing comes on. Look how smooth the power graph is. Of course, it goes straight up the mountain, but the thing don't spin, no hiccups, no nothing with the way we have that progressive nitrous controller set up. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell for notifications. We do action like this all the time, whether we're on the dyno or on the racetrack or on the streets of Mexico. We got more action like that coming soon. Smash that like button if you like this video. Check us out, moremafia.com. You can schedule to get you a nitrous kit put on, you a Dyno Tune, ECU Flashed, or if you just want a hoodie to stay warm, hit us up, moremafia.com, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. All right, guys, it's finally time to unveil the official More Mafia giveaway for Black Friday, coming up at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where you go on and actually get your spots. First place prize and second place prize. Yeah, that's right, guys. This time we have two prizes that we're giving away. The grand prize, of course, is the 2022 Hayabusa 0 miles, fully customized and modified, ready to go. We got Brock's Performance titanium exhaust, DME swing arm, BST carbon fiber wheels, Sprint air filter, lowering kit, you name it, we got it. We have all the goodies done up on this brand new bike that we've also custom painted. We got rid of the copper on the bike to make it a unique one-of-one build. So this bike is going to be like no other, and it's going to be yours if you're the lucky grand prize winner. Second place prize is going to be a all expense paid trip to TRC, That Racing's channel, Street Kings event coming up in December 11th at Bradenton Motorsports Park. We're going to give away 2 round trip airfare from your destination to Bradenton Motorsports Park, and we're going to get you hotel, accommodation, stay, and the tickets to the event so you can come and hang out with More Mafia at the event and party with us. We got to keep it professional. We don't party too much. Anyways, the giveaway will start Black Friday, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You will be able to go on and select the t-shirt of your choice. The t-shirts will be $150. With the purchase of that t-shirt, that gets you your one free entry to win this motorcycle or the second place prize. You can buy as many t-shirts as you like. The t-shirts will be shipped to your house, and that enters you into the contest. Good luck, everybody. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button on our YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you name it, we got it. Hit us up. If you have any questions, moremafia.com.